What's going on, Signature family? It's Daniel here from That's Right, Signature Performance Tire and Wheel here in Costa Mesa, California. It's not as bright and sunny as it normally is because we're kind of shooting this video late, so hopefully you can see all the details in this video that I want to show you. This is Kurtis's truck behind me. It's a 2022 Ford F350. It's a crew cab short bed. You can see the two-tone color. You can get that in the Lariat or the King Ranch. This truck in particular is the King Ranch. He called us. He's from South County, about 35-40 minutes from here. He was looking for somebody to install the lift kit that he had already picked. So I was just chatting with him saying, how did you end up with the choice that you're at? I always like to tell the story to our viewers. And he says, man, it's a pavement queen. He says, I hardly take this thing off-road. He had looked at a Carli kit. He had looked at some other options. In the end, after his hours and hours and what he said is probably way too much research, which can happen on the internet really easily, he landed on this BDS kit. So maybe take a few minutes here and I'll show you this particular setup. So this truck's got a 5-inch BDS kit. If you don't know, BDS is a Fox factory product, meaning they're owned by Fox. So BDS does offer all of their kits in some type of version of a Fox shock. So this particular kit will come either with their Nitro shock, that's their what I call their option A. The Fox 2.0 is the next step up, or the Fox 2.5 Elite series, which is your big badass piggyback shock. 8 out of 10 guys are going to go with this setup. So this is, again, this is their 5-inch kit. Comes with a replacement front coil. You can see the brake line bracket there, which is really nice and clean. You do have the option to upgrade to stainless steel brake lines on some kits. Really not required. The brake line bracket handles that. You can see the nickel plated body Fox 2.0 shock. Again, you see these on almost all the trucks we build. And what I really like is the radius arm there. So this radius arm comes included in this kit. Some kits have the option of just a radius arm bracket in the back. But if you're looking for the big, stout, upgraded arm, there she is. So that's going to provide 5 inches of lift. In the back is a simple block kit. It's got a 3.5-inch block kit in the back. Some blocks, U-bolts, Fox 2.0 shock. So as far as tire clearance goes, you can definitely really fit a larger tire than what Kurtis did here. He came in with methods already as far as the wheels go. When you're picking tires, we always like to take the extra time to educate you about fitment. So I'll talk about the wheel and tire fitment. This is an 18x9 method MR305. Now what's really important to know is there's 2 versions of this wheel. There's the standard MR305, which has been out for years, and this is the HD version. The difference between the two, a little bit design, the spoke design in particular is a little bit wider in this area here. And the reason they did that is they wanted extra load capacity. So the HD wheels, depending on bolt pattern, is going to hold 3,500 or even 4,000 pounds per wheel. So this really the strongest cast wheel on the market is the HD version. And then the tire is a 37, 1250, 18. This is the Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain. So these are going to come E-rated, 80 PSI, so you're going to have no tire pressure light issues. This is an all-terrain, really cool aggressive sidewall. There is 2 different choices of sidewalls on most Nitto tires. This also is one. This is our most popular side that we pick. And this tire is a 55,000 mile tread life warranty as well. If you want to come around the back here, I just want to show you offset fitment on this truck. So again, 18x9 wheel. This is a plus 18 offset, 5 3/4 inch backspace. So this is going to be your stock leveled, your mildly lifted trucks. Step up from here, you can see it's really flush with the fender. Flush fitment allows you a little bit larger tire. So we could actually run this setup on a leveled 22 F350 if you wanted to. A little bit of trimming on that. Really sweet and clean. One other thing that Kurtis chose to do on this truck, which we don't do a lot of, particularly because the money that's involved, is actually the Carli torsion sway bar in the front. They're really, really sweet. They are an add-on to the Carli kit, but you can take a look under there. It's got a torsion bar that goes right across the middle to some aluminum links there along to your sway bar links. So really adds a lot of stability. Also up front is the BDS dual stabilizer. There you'll see that has the nitro shocks on it. You do have the option to go with Fox shocks. Kurtis already had that dual steering stabilizer on here when he got here. So really happy with the way this truck came out. This is your bread and butter right here. This truck, if you're going one step up from a leveling kit, this is definitely a nice setup. So we do have all these parts online on our website if you want to go around and look. If you want to call like Kurtis did, I'm happy to help dial it in. Me, Raymond, Jimmy, any one of us can help get you dialed in. SignaturePTW.com. You can go look at the parts. You can follow us on YouTube or give us a call at 888-680-0060.